Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I make programming tutorial videos and tech related videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do summation of two numbers in Python by getting user input. So first of all, let's save the file. I'm using Atom to write down my code. Let's name it summation.py. Do use the extension .py, otherwise your code won't work. So first of all, I'm declaring a variable where I'm going to keep my first number. And now getting user input. You can write down anything inside that quotation. I'm writing enter your number. Let's declare another variable where I'm going to keep my another number, int enter another number. So now let's declare another variable where I'm going to keep the summation of these two numbers. Sum, let's name it sum equal num1 plus num2. Now print sum. Let's give some space here so it makes it more understandable. Click save again, and then I'm going to run this code in the common shell. cd desktop / the folder name where I saved my Python file. Now the file name summation.py. Enter. So it prints enter your number 20, enter another number 10. So this is the summation of 20 and 10. In this way you can do division, multiplication, subtraction. Let's see how you can do subtraction. Let's name it sub num1 minus num2. Print sub. Click save. Go to command shell. Type your file name. Enter your number 20, 10. So 10. If you subtract 10 from 20, it comes 10. Now let's do a multiplication. Let's name it multi num1 into num2. Print multi. File, save. Go to command shell. Type your file name. Enter your number 5, 4. So 5:4 is 20. Let's do a division. Div num1 by num2. Print div. Click save. Go to command shell. Type your file name. Enter your number 10, 2. So this is 5.0. So this is how you can do summation, multiplication, all sorts of calculation by getting user input in Python. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, to subscribe to my channel. It really encourages me. Till we code again.